Hello everyone, this is Scaldis and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. This is home store brand boiled linseed oil, which is also our top selling wood care product. Do you know that linseed oil or flax oil is made from flax seeds that have been ground and pressed to release its natural oil? Linseed oil is a form of drying oil, which can be used directly or blended with combinations of other oils, solvents, resins to produce woodworking finish. So, what are the advantages of using boiled linseed oil? Natural extracted drying oil, deep penetration and protects the wood, suitable for both interior and exterior applications, fast drying, water resistant and solvent based. Now, let's have a look at boiled linseed oil. This is Belian or Borneo Ironwood, which has been used for fencing. It was painted with translucent pigmented varnish, alkyd base. As you can see here, thick coatings with gloss finish. Now, I'm gonna scrap it off using a sandpaper and turn it back into its original state. Natural wood finishing. Next, let me show you how to apply boiled linseed oil. Comparing the original piece with our boiled linseed oil finish, can you spot the difference? Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.